Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to change or how to edit your Wix website footer. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your website editor and I'm going to my footer section, and here is my footer. So I'm going to selecting the footer and I'm clicking on change footer design, and from here you can select any footer design, or you can click on customize design to customize the border, corners, shadows, fill color, opacity, and now click on settings and you can turn on the freeze footer. So this is how we can change or edit our Wix website footer. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.